Make una calm down. Calm down. Everybody, I know everybody's panic. Amazon verification. Yay. Is it the end of Amazon KDP for us? Will they terminate my account? What happened to my royalty? Guys, can you please, like I used to tell my mentee, take your right hand, put it on your chest, rub it down. Come on, calm down now. This life no easy. Like I used to say, there's always a solution to any problem. I learned this the hard way. I learned it in 2021 when I lost my job for the first time with two kids. My daughter was 8 months old. I have wife, I have a kid that is already two plus there. But guess what? I bounced back. Even without having any savings back then, I was depending on our loan app. But guess what? I bounced back. I got another job, and here I am today. So I learned it since then that there's no any problem without a solution. So guys, please chill, take a chill pill, take a chill pill, take a take a walk. Don't stress yourself. Continue writing your books. If your account has been terminated, please create another one. Feel free, just relax. So because I've been getting different DMs since morning. In short, even me website you have been KDP expert, I never get the updates. People that started sending me DMs since morning. I woke up to see DMs that Amazon did this, Amazon did that, blah blah blah. But guess what? Let's calm down and see what's really going on. Because most of us have not even take our time to read what they said, and we have not checked what they really want. But before we check, someone already sent me a picture this night, and this is it. This is one of my awesome YouTuber, now YouTube person that saw my contact on YouTube that chatted me up. Like I always say, no matter who you are, even though you have not registered for my mentorship before, no matter how stupid you think your question might be, I'll definitely create time to answer you. When I have an update on how to get my account, one of my accounts back, is one of people that answer their questions on YouTube that come to my DM. He was the one that sent the update to me. And I tried the update, two of my terminated accounts, I was able to get it back. So I make sure I answer anybody, no matter how stupid you think your question is. So the person that sent this to me, this is his or her name. He said to continue using Kindle Direct Publishing. Kindle Direct Publishing future, we are asking authors and publishers to verify their identity. Calm down. This is done to promote safety and trust across Kindle Direct Publishing and Amazon. Can you please note that by August 14, so today is 31 of July, so we have less than 15 days to do whatever they ask us to do. By August 14, 2024, UTC, that's that time, please log into your Kindle Direct Publishing and submit a verified government issued ID. We recommend completing this action via mobile device. Can you please note that? Let me note it. Let me note it here myself. This was a book I was writing on, but let me just close it. They said August, right? August 14, mobile device. Mobile device. What again? We recommend here once you verify your identity, you can access that Kindle Direct publishing feature again. Please, if you do not complete your identity verification, your account will be terminated. Say terminated. Terminated. Okay? For any questions, you can visit our help center or contact us. Best regard, Kindle Direct Publishing. So, guys, this is it. Let me go to my account now. But before I go there, please, Biko, no. I dey beg una make una help me let this thing go to 1,000 K subscribers. Now, still they watch my video. Let me see the last video I even posted. Now, they watch my video. Now, no gree subscribe. This is one of my accounts. Let me to subscribe. Maybe like say, and the exit notification. So my last video has 342 views. Oh, the video I posted 2 days ago. The one I posted 3 days ago has 37 views. If these 342 people that have viewed this thing and have subscribed to my channel by now, I go don't reach where I suppose to reach you. That 1K is my target. So after 1K, I know more subscriber will come. This will help push my content to people that need the information. And I believe you guys also believe in me. I know we can do it together. Please, if you are watching this video now, kindly give us a thumbs up. Share with families and friends that, in short, this video will need to be shared. And at the same time, subscribe to this channel, please. Cause subscribe. And by when you watch this video to the end, I believe you must have learned one or two things from what I have to say. So let's just move. So to Kindle. So now once you log into Amazon KDP account, automatically you see to your left right hand side this help. Click on help. You see the updates. Now this is where the update is. There too say they get sense. New and recent updates. So they have three updates. We'll be taking each one after the other. But for today, for the sake of this verification matter, now this verification won't handle. So the three updates says identify verification is rolling out to authors. We are committed to protect those who publish with us and those who buy books on Amazon. As part of this effort, we are beginning to ask authors and publisher to verify their identity on KDP. For more details, click here. Let's see. This is our F article. So we won't be reading much of this. We won't be reading much of it, but we can just scan through it. Protecting author, we know is for protection, blah blah blah. To verify your identity, we encourage you to use a mobile device as it's easy to upload a photo from your phone or tablet. To get started, follow this step. One, log in into KDP under the settings, under your account. Go to your identity. Enter or review your information. Now, this is it. Enter or review your information. Let me copy it. Let me go and paste it there. So because we'll be treating it one after the other. Enter and review your information, e.g., full name, address, date of birth, right? In short, this is all full name, address, and date of birth. This is what we really need, not everything. The name on your account should match your ID. Calm down. We will still get there. Save your information. If you made changes, click verified identity. Select an ID type and the country that issued the ID. Somebody say country. Let me copy country. Somebody say country, say country. Blam. So we are getting there. Next, upload the required photo to your ID. Submit for verification. Now let's treat it one after the other. Let me zoom this well. Now to start with, let's assume. Okay, let's start with August 4. August 14 rather. So all we have to do between now and August 14 is make sure you get everything ready. Now, next thing is the mobile device. You know, for people that has multiple accounts, someone like me, I will advise you, if you are verifying your accounts one after the other, please use different mobile devices. You can ask for friends. Don't ever use one mobile device to verify two accounts. Let's forget about changing your SIM card, changing your this. These people that have come up with this, I believe they must have tightened their security more. And no matter how VPN you want to use, no matter how hard the VPN you want to use, you can never have enough money to invest into security like Amazon. Remember, Amazon is number one shopping app in the whole world. So they have the money. That's what I have to say. Talking of termination, I feel yes, they will terminate accounts because people since September last year, when was it September? Yeah, since September 3rd, they roll out the AI matter. Let me confirm this video is recording. Is it still recording? Yes, it's still recording. Since September last year, that was when they started with AI, where everybody were panicking. Use AI, not to use AI. Since from September till date, from one upgrade to the other. Because number one, AI has come to stay. But the fact that we are using AI now, the books they publish on Amazon is times 10 of what people are publishing before, because AI has made the work faster. And for people that knows how to use AI, I can tell you for free that you can use AI to get quality books. I used to preach it. Quality before quantity. I used to preach that a lot. So for termination, yes, they might terminate accounts, but how many accounts they want to terminate? The truth is, no matter how you think Amazon need to run Amazon KDP for people that are not running ad like me, it's free, everything. They still get one or two cents, one or two money from you guys. It's called the combination of everybody publishing on Amazon KDP, selling stuff on Amazon website. That's what what's it called? Jeff, one of the richest person in the world. Mind you, I'm not saying he's not investing into other stuff, but at least he started with Amazon. It was money he get from Amazon, he was able to invest in real estate, invest in AI, but still yet, out of your money, now they still they pay their salary. Because one naira, one dollar times million of people shopping on that app or the website is still money. So to avoid termination, please take this thing serious. Now, enter or review your information. Now, I was the one that used to preach. Let's say your name is Adenekon, right? This is my own name, Solomon Oluwatosin. That's my real name. Now, I was one that preached that you can use something like this instead because of multiple account. Oh. You can decide to use Nelcom Solomon. So far you have it in your bank details. I was one that said you can use this, extract from the name. You can use Lomon Olua, extract from the name, because but now me talk and say and they use them. Now me talk and say and they use them again. Oh, because they want your real name. Guess what? They want your real name. Because the ID you have now must carry your real name. But guess what? I shouldn't have said this, but for the sake of people that understand this thing how it works, I suppose that I should not say it out. The so-called fraud guys, the Yahoo guys that we have, do you know they have ID they use to do their job? How did they get the ID? Can someone think? How do they get the ID? There are ways people get ID, right? And talking of the verification they even mentioned is uploading. I didn't have to come ahead now, but let me keep it to myself. And there are some people that design once long time ago. I know how to design ID for people for the scamming jobs. Sorry, I have to say this because I have to be sincere. But as time goes on, I just say it's a sin. I won't do it because they are using it the wrong way. Do you get? So if matter comes to us, there are websites that can design ID in whatever name. I was the one that said you should use names like this, right? ID can come in this name and with this address. Like I said, there's always a solution to any problem. All you just need is pata pata. You have to just invest money to solve this problem. Thank God they said, let me go there. Thank God they said, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Sorry. Upload. Where is it? Upload the required photo for your ID. They are not verifying your face. Like the way we verify when we are trying to open a gray account that you have to put a camera to your face. They just want an ID as simple as ABC. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. So don't be panic. If need be for you to edit the information, yes, we said Kindle Villa, we get fake address or we get an address from our bank statement to use for your American address. If need be, please change it. And I hope this verification will solve the problem of book blocking. Quotes, I'm not saying to solve. I hope because for them to roll this out, one of the primary reasons why they started blocking books was when they roll out these in March for some kind of book, companion books. They don't want companion books on their website. Companion book like workbook, this and that, because they little of complaint. That was when they started book blocking generally. So out of looking for solution, that's when we get Kindle Vella, open a Kindle Vella account, blah blah. So guys, it's not a crime. We just need to follow the trend. Now, people are skeptical. People are scared to say, okay, who will do this first? Who will be the first person to do it? Please feel free. Verify. At least if your account is already generating 100, 200, $1,000, just forfeit that account. Make sure you do the verification. Change it to Nigerian account, a Nigerian address. Verify it and leave the so that to avoid termination, leave the account there. Leave it like that. to be generating the money. You don't need to publish on that account again. If by the end of the day, after verifying to Nigerian address and they started blocking your books black, we never can tell after verification what will happen. As at now, I'm not ready to verify mine. Maybe once I check the name I have there, I get the proper ID, I test it out, I'll roll a video out to you guys to teach you how it works. So I just have to just come here now to tell you that, bro, calm down. No panic. People are already scared. People are already scared out there. What they need to waiting what happen. This and that. There's always a solution to any problem. If need be, like I said, change that address back to Nigerian address. If it's the ID you have, do it. And another tip I can give you, if you have a friend that lives abroad that you can trust, that can trust you at the same time, request for their ID because of their address. Use their full name. Now the question is the bank details. I chatted with Amazon sometime early this year. Can I use a different bank details apart from my name? Yes, they answer me yes. But now, since they are rolling different options, I never can tell if it's a yes or a no. So we need to just take our time to just study out what will happen in the next couple of days or couple of weeks between now and August 14 to see wetin go sup. And mind you, verification, person wey go chop breakfast go still chop breakfast. Do you get? In short, my account got suspended today. At the end of the day, I got the account back. So, guys, please no need to panic. I dey here for you. And if you want to see this update as they go, do something now. What's it called? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's only subscriber that will see once I upload or publish a new video that will talk about this particular stuff. Because in all honesty, this is one of the only means we can use to survive this economy, especially this SAPA economy for people living in Nigeria. So guys, calm down, take a chill pee. I'm here to encourage you that we will definitely solve this together and we will definitely conquer. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give my videos a thumbs up and share with families and friends whereby you'll be seeing more of my updates. Bye for now.